What is up, guys? Mike Wang here. Today I'll be talking about a $54 million opportunity, looking at what is on Cathie Wood's mind. Before we begin, don't forget to smash that like button to support me on YouTube. So Cathie recently had an interview with Yahoo Finance, and she did mention a lot of things that are on her mind regarding macroeconomics, but I found them to be relatively less important, so let's skip that part and move on to what she thinks about individual stocks. So Cathie said that there was an overall rotation on which stocks were bullish this year. During the beginning of the year, we saw growth stocks fly. Then starting in February to May, we saw cyclical stocks gain momentum, so stocks that are normally classified as value stocks did well. And recently, the defensive sectors did well, and by defensive, Cathie means FANG stocks. And what she's basically saying is that based on the rotation pattern, it's time for growth stocks and innovation stocks to gain momentum once again. Now let's move on to Tesla. Tesla's EV sales recorded 2.2 million cars in 2020, but it's estimated to sell about 40 million cars in 2025. So essentially, she is expecting a 20x growth in sales for the next 5 years. The estimate for 2021 is around 3.6 to 3.8 million vehicles. What's also worth noting is that while the overall vehicle sales are decreasing, electric vehicle sales as a whole are increasing. And there's a lot of interest from the Chinese market as well as aggressive subsidy policies in favor of Tesla. So then the reporter from Yahoo Finance asks whether ARK still thinks that Tesla's target should be $7,000. Cathie clarifies that this was a target that was set before the stock split and that they now have a target price of $3,000 for their base case, with the main reason being Tesla's increase in market share. Now, if Tesla's stock price could reach $3,000, the estimated market cap would be about $3 trillion, which would make Tesla the biggest company in the world. Apple is currently ranked number one at the moment, with the market cap surpassing $2.5 trillion. So given that Apple remains where it is and Tesla's stock soars another 3x, 4x from here, it will become the biggest company in the world. Whether you agree with that target price or not is up to you, but it was revealed that Elon Musk himself agrees with this target price. Another stock that the reporter pointed out was Zoom Communications. As you guys know, this is a video platform that boomed last year due to the pandemic, and ever since it peaked around the end of 2021, it's been sort of correcting and consolidating, with a chart showing a bottoming pattern. Basically, Cathie said that she sees a new opportunity in communications through Zoom, which is why ARK invested a whopping $56 million in it. Her thesis is that Zoom will eventually replace conventional PBX systems, and it's operating in the enterprise communications market, which has a pie size of $1.5 trillion, and as Zoom replaces PBX systems, it could become a company like Cisco Systems, or maybe even better. Zoom is also preparing something big in the larger picture. It has become the standard for enterprise video teleconferencing, so they can really scale by simply adding new features to their existing product, which is basically a strategy that most tech companies use, not to mention how great their user interface and user experience is. Now, looking at ARK's top 11 holdings, we can see that Tesla is at number 1, and Zoom Communications, interestingly enough, is at number 11. Only recently did they double their Zoom stock holdings. She also commented on the crypto market, which has been flying recently. She said that it could be a great hedge against inflation for those who are worried about it, and comparing Bitcoin to gold, while gold supply continues to increase, Bitcoin supply only decreases. And with DeFi, or decentralized finance, for those of you who don't know, there are opportunities for investors to capitalize on high yield opportunities via DeFi, so they have better options compared to investing in bonds. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this summary was helpful. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it to be useful, don't forget to smash that like button, and also let me know in the comment section below on what you think of ARK buying more Zoom stocks. Do you think this was a prudent move or not? If you guys want to see more content like these, make sure to subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.